Our next piece is Tillana. A Tillana is a very energetic nritta or pure dance item with a small stanza called a sahityam honoring a deity or a strong figure. The sahityam in this Tillana is a dedication to the composer, Dr. Balamurali Krishna, a prominent figure in Carnatic music who is very well known for his fast-paced, complex, and energizing Tillanas. This Tillana is a new, uniquely choreographed piece, and the first corvée of it is dedicated to the beauty of a peacock. When Joyce Masi first heard Prince Rama Varma's rendition of this Tillana, she was mesmerized by the infectious and vivacious nature of his singing and the composition. This Tillana is in Ragam Kuntala Varali and Talam Adi. The music composition is by Dr. Balamurali Krishna and the choreography is by Dr. Joyce Paul Siamak. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy.
Na
All Arpan Arangetrams have a special Vidyarthi or student piece dedicated to something the student is passionate about. Joyce Masi believes that every student should dance a piece that manifests their own passion and creativity. Asta's special piece is written by her mother, Menka Soni, in Hindi. We now invite Asta to say a few words about the piece.
Namaste everyone. I hope you're all enjoying the show so far, and a big warm welcome to you all. Thank you for your constant love and support throughout the day. So when Joyce Massey and I first started thinking about pieces for my Edengedrum about 3 years ago, she asked me if there was any concept or idea I had that I would potentially want to do for my special piece. After much conversation, I told her about an issue that was really prevalent in my life at the time. I expressed to her that throughout my life, I had always felt like I was trying to fit into somebody else's mold or trying to keep up with expectations that people seemed to have of me. This piece is about the chaos, the grief, and the hard journey of me coming to terms with myself and who I am and learning to accept that I create my own mold. What makes this piece really special to me is when I discussed this paragraph or this concept with my parents, my mom felt inspired and wrote an original poem, one that I didn't even know she wrote poetry. Joyce Massey and I were both so amazed by my mom's newfound talent, and everything seemed to click and come together. So thank you, Mama, wherever you are, for sharing your work with us, and I'm honored to be performing your poem today.
And a very famous Hindi poetess, Shanti Agarwal, took Menka's poetry and reframed it to suit our choreographic needs. So thank you to her too.
Why does Asta talk so much? It's weird. Asta, can you please calm down? Oh my god.
My god, Astha, it's not a joke. Why are you not serious about practicing? Always joking around.
Are you just fake nice to everyone?
Astha, you're so
God,
dedicated and
Asta's so
confident in every single
Is being fake her own
सुनती सबकी रही, किसी से न कहा कुछ भी। प्रश्न एक पर मन को सदैव मथता रहा। मैं क्या हूँ? मैं कैसे जानूं परिचय अपना? खुद को जानूं, पहचानूं, ये था मेरा सपना। सबकी आंखों के दर्पण में रही झांकती, इनमें अपने प्रतिबिंबों को रही आंकती। लगी कहीं पर चपल चुलबुली, लगी कहीं पर चपल चुलबुली, मैं चंचल सी। शोर मचाती कहीं लगी धारा विफल सी। दीनहीन अबला सी लगी किन्हीं आंखों में, धिरती रही उदासी सी पल पल सांसों में। इनमें से तो कुछ भी मेरा सत्य नहीं है। इनके जैसा मेरा कोई कृत्य भी नहीं। सबने मुझे अपने दृष्टिकोण से जाना। जिसने जैसा चाहा उसी सांचे में ढाला। लगे स्वयं के ये सारे प्रतिबिंब अपरिचित। हुआ स्वयं का सारा ही विश्वास विसर्जित। ततक झुंडता ततक झुंडता ततक झुंडता तच्छम गड़गड़ाम ततक झुंडता ततक झुंडता ततक झुंडता तच्छम गड़गड़ाम ततक झुंडता ततक झुंडता ततक झुंडता तच्छम गड़गड़ाम ततक झुंडता ततक झुंडता ततक झुंडता तच्छम।
That is so nice. Asta, can you please
फिर मैंने इन सब से अपनी दृष्टि हटाकर झांका जब विश्वासी मन में अपने भीतर। लगा कि जैसे मुझे मेरा लक्ष्य मिल गया। मेरे अंदर एक ज्ञान का कमल खिल गया। मिला नवीन अजब अद्भुत। मिला नवीन अजब अद्भुत तब रूप स्वयं का। प्रेम भरा निर्मल निश्चल मन कोमल शिशु सा। मैं हूँ आस्था और ये है मेरा परिचय।